Okay, after you have axle holes done in your car, you need to draw the side view on. To start with the side view, you're going to create a 2D sketch and click on the side of your car. Then first important thing we need to do is to locate where the engine hole is so that we don't cut into it. So to start, I'm going to click on the project geometry tool. I'm going to find the edges of my engine hole. So I'm going to select just the edge, the top side. I'll find the bottom side, and then there's a little a V point along the front too. Alright, so I projected the geometry, found where the engine hole is so I know I don't cut into it. The car I'm trying to draw is going to be this car. So I got to kind of make this line and then a couple arcs and then another line out and this arc back here. So to start, I'm going to start with my line tool. I'll start somewhere in here and I'll just make my arc out. Or line rather. I'll make my arc point, make it come out kind of flat and sharp. One tool that I am going to try here is going to be the mirror tool. So to use the mirror tool, I'm going to find the center point of my hole. That's going to be, use the line tool here. Use my line tool, draw what I call line of symmetry. I'm going to use the mirror tool. To use the mirror tool, first I'm going to select the geometry that I want to mirror. In this case, I want to mirror this arc across the mirror line, which is that line of symmetry that I drew. Right here, I'll click apply, and done. So it mirrored that line for me, so I have a matching arc. Then I'm going to finish off my bottom with an arc. I got to be careful how I locate my arc here. It's a very small arc. And then I'll finish with my line tool, running most of the way off the front of the car, and then another arc going down to the front. And then I'll just pick a spot. And I think that looks pretty good. I think it's sufficient. I might make my other arc back here now, underneath my axle hole. Come back, use my line tool. I'm going to cut that part of my car out. Now I'm going to go up to Finish Sketch. I'm going to click Extrude. Then I'm going to select the profile which I want to extrude. In this case, I want to select that. I'll move this out of the way, and I'll select this little corner. And then looking at my Extrude dialog box, I want to select the Cut feature. And the distance I want to cut it is all. So I want to cut it all off. Click OK. And now I have successfully cut my side view off so that it almost matches my other drawing that I have. Now it's not perfect, but it's pretty close.